Hey guys, remember how we raved about the MetaQuest 2? Well, get ready, because the MetaQuest 3 is here to blow your mind. With a stunning 4K plus display, a sleek 40% thinner design, ready to dive in? Let's explore what makes the MetaQuest 3 a game changer and a few things to watch out for. Hit that like button and let's get started. Let's start with its visual and hardware upgrades. The Quest 3 offers a 4K plus display with pancake lenses, delivering sharp visuals and a 15% wider field of view compared to the Quest 2. The new slim, 40% thinner design also provides a better balance on the face. The high resolution gives you the sensation of looking through a window to another world. It's like taking off your glasses after years and seeing everything clearly. The enhanced pass-through cameras allow for mixed reality, making it easier to multitask. You can double-tap the headset to quickly switch between the real and virtual worlds. The mixed reality feed is a bit like viewing the world in a drug-fueled haze, but I admit it's still handy for grabbing coffee or avoiding virtual zombies. The upgraded hand tracking, along with the new Touch Plus controllers, is highlights for many. The ability to navigate menus with your fingers, like you're in Minority Report, impressed users who loved the futuristic feel. It can make you spend time just staring at your hands in VR because it feels so real. Yeah, now let's see at things that can be like a downside for this game to others game players. While the mixed reality feature is fun, it's not perfect. The color pass-through is grainy and pixelated, and the range of apps that fully utilize this technology is currently limited. That can feel like VR in a foggy dream. While significantly cheaper than competitors like Apple's Vision Pro, some users feel the Quest 3 is trying too hard to be everything at once: gaming, productivity, fitness, without focusing on one area. Overall, the MetaQuest 3 is an excellent choice for VR enthusiasts, offering improved resolution, a lighter design, and better performance than its predecessors. Whether you're into immersive games, fitness, or virtual collaboration, the Quest 3 is a top-tier standalone headset that doesn't require a PC or external sensors. If you have or know more about MetaQuest 3, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are having a great day.